Hello, good evening, sir. Hello.
Good evening,
So,
Cyril. Nice
yes, good
meeting
evening.
you.
Nice meeting you, sir. Yeah, so live na ta, no? Live na ta. Okay. So, let's start now. By the way, hello everyone. My name is Cyril Paul Mation, and I will be your featured host for tonight. So, this is my first time, Sir Draymond, actually. So, murag ka ng probanda gamay pero laban lang. So gamay lang na background sir para kuan para you will know me and then I will know you. So a little bit about me is that I started working as a VA in 2011. So oldest pa to siya sir. So it's not Upwork and actually I did not sign up for Odes. It was Miss Jolmar Grace Locsin. I'm not sure if
I
you
know
know
her.
her, the owner of Surge. So nami group chat and then mag-sign na siya mga kuan mga online work like blog content and everything ana na siya. So as of the moment sir guys and who's listening, I'm currently working as a VA, part-time VA. I also manage properties and
Mhm.
then I also sell lands, condos, I'm a salesperson. So, dili na ko magpatupik-tupik pa kay ang the VA hour is about our guest. So, let me just introduce our guest. So, our guest is the founder and then the CEO of VA Success Academy Org and Mr. VA Coach, a visionary leader in the outsourcing and digital marketing industry with over 25 years of experience. Grabe, sir, no? In the team management, training, business optimization. He has established himself as a catalyst for innovation in virtual staffing services, grabe, digital marketing, automation, global outsourcing solution. And he started in the outsourcing world since 2007, then fully shifted to home base in 2019 as virtual assistant. Then in 2022, Surgery has been spearheading digital marketing automation services, empowering businesses to streamline their processes, increase efficiency, and drive measurable growth. So let's welcome our guest for tonight from the city of Golden Friendship, Cagayan de Oro City, Sir Jay Simon. Yay! Sir Jay, welcome to our segment for tonight. So, kung ano, sir, anything that you want to add about yourself, aside from the things that I've said?
Thank you. Thank you for that powerful intro, Cyril. And
Um,
then thank you for the VA Radio, Sir Ray, actually, for this opportunity to share and then, spread the good news um, by this podcasting VA success, or I mean, VA podcast um, invitation. I know the program here, mga VA related sa
yes,
kanya-kanyang kinabuhi, no? So it's really good to be part of this journey and process because me myself makarelate ko, and I also noticed that it's a religious driven, faith driven, and it's one of my values sa akong organization, even my business. So thank you once again, Cyril. And yeah, to give additional about me, actually, katong that you told, you said that 25 years, that was a sum of all my experiences, not really the complete outsourcing. I only have 17 years in the outsourcing. So
okay.
nag-start ko as a call center agent in Concentrix.
Mm-hmm.
I always give them the credit of, you know, building myself as foundation sa industry. So pag VA ka, medyo advantage man kagamay kung naa kay outsourcing or naa kay BPO. Kay matrain
Agree.
nila, right? Matrain ka sa ilang culture, American culture, how they work, ang ethics, ang processes, and operations. So yeah, I think in a nutshell, what I do, I'm a also slash philanthropist. I want to help people. The reason why I started this business because when I started my own journey in the outsourcing and VA business, nobody's helping me. Nobody is there coaching me. So that's why na-create ng VA Success Academy, because we're not only helping people to land VA jobs, but also we're guiding them how they make life decisions, their financial and their Christian world, or life in a holistic approach. So Mr. VA coach is ang most the support karon ang mo pool of people, mga aspiring people that we provide free trainings and a little bit affordable training. So that's me.
Grabe, sir, no? Grabe. And regarding sa imuhang answer sa survey sa uh, imuhang VA, the VA coach and then the VA Success Academy, or when did you start this yeah.
Yeah. So ang VA Success Academy, it was formed 2019.
Mhm.
But before it became an academy, I was doing since 2013, after I resigned sa BPO, sa corporate world, I started helping small to medium size nga operation. In fact, I don't know if taga Davao ka or
Taga
somewhere.
Davao. Yes,
Uh,
I'm from Davao.
so that's where I was able to mold myself handling small time operation, and I was able to learn.
Mhm.
Then na shock ko sa culture sa Davao when it comes VA. Perting dagana kay VA dira. Oy,
Oh,
grabe na.
grabe, grabe jud tinuod yun na, sir. Grabe yung competition diri oy.
Grabe dagan niya. That time, imagine, 2009, na introduce ko sa Odes, and my colleagues nang resign na kay nag home base. Pero
Mhm.
that time, dili in ana kadali maka unsa ni maka-achieve yung mga earnings. Then ang mga akong kadunggan sa una kay mas stop 3 months wala na. Then
Oh, yeah.
ngita na pug kag project. Ngita
Or
na po.
scammers, sir. Dagang
Oh,
scammers sa una.
daghang scammers kay mo nagakadlo ko resign ko nga di ko ani bay. Hadlo ko ani ko. Yung resign 5 years or 4 years ago, 3 years ko sa concentrix, and I'm thinking ba, what if, kanang ito mga what if, kanang mga what if
Yeah.
na,
Yeah.
what if, na, di gini pwede. So, pero naabot gid ang time nga, murag gikuan gito sa universe nga, mo resign ko kay nay natagbo na ko nga mga young Chinese entrepreneur diri sa Cagayan, and then also
Mhm.
mga young people. It's a Filipino and Christian, it's a mix. And then na-encourage ko nga mag-business. So
Mhm.
I started it, and then na-flank me. We weren't able to really take it off. Niabot pa mi Malacanang. I don't know if you heard about the t-shirt long
Oh,
time ago.
really, sir? Malacanang jud.
Niabot mi dito because of the t-shirt. Kanungog ba tong white t-shirt nga mura-mura bitaw siya na trending pud tong tuko nga. Have you heard the tuko long time ago?
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I was one of the kanang source of toko, then wala gyud mi nakahalin og toko.
Di ba, sir, kay pang unsa man sa nay cancer, pang cure daw sa cancer ang mga tukok daw.
Yes, ang I was told by one of my friend nga naala siya sa Canada karon. Yanhian gid ko niya sa ang sani sa akong boarding house this Cagayan, and he's from Cagayan of Don. But yantuan gid ko niya sa akong boarding house siya nga, bay tuko bay na mi contact classmate nato sa Chinese ug Korean, palit og tuko nga like this big. And then they're gonna buy it for 500,000 or 300,000. And ang amo isa ka classmate sa high school already have a one sack of tuko. So imagine we're thinking, oh, this is million na ni. Hadon na wala to nag-work, and then naabot na kami sa t-shirts.
Mhm.
Remember, there was one election in the Philippines, I think 10 years back or 12 years back. Nobody, dili ka maka-post og kanang mga flyers sa mga walls. Gibawan nila because you only have to use t-shirts, i-print lang sa shirts ang mga campaign materials. And we were one of them na nag-source out. And then we don't know nga, niabot ni sa Malacanang ang amo ring buyer is taga Malacanang. So niabot mi dito, and then to make it short, na flank. Then one of my friend called me. I have a call center gamay sa Davao. Dara sa Claveria Street, nas kilid sa Mormons Church.
Mm-hmm.
Diha siya. So, and then after a few months, I started my kanang consultancy sa BPO. Then I got clients. I set up call center, either foreigner ka or Filipino
Mm-hmm.
ka nga call center. I built it for you from legalities, everything from hiring, launching, and business development. Now, over time, Sai, I realized that not all clients loves to follow our labor law, especially the 13-month pay. I think aware ka na, right?
Yes, yes, yes. But I
Kasi
got your own VA agency na, sir. Nagdana kay
yes,
VA agency na.
yes, pagka na-fed up ko, pagka 2019, I decided to start working at home. Gipost ko
Okay.
sa akong wife nga, pagkuan na, like, sayang kasi mong skills, and you're only, why not start your own, and then, home base na ako, somewhat BPO consultancy still, but shifted siya majority sa VA. So that's
Mm-hmm.
2019, and then one of my first client, I mean, my first client was able to notice my capabilities, and he gave me chance, and he told me, Dre, why not we create a virtual operation for
Mm-hmm.
callers, all callers call centers, and you create it since you know how to do it. Then boom, the rest is history.
Okay.
For
And
real.
you and kana imong client na imong ka business partner nimo na okay
Yeah, the
till
business
now.
partner ko, for I think it lasts for 3 years, because
Mm-hmm.
after 3 years among good, they started digital marketing. So I know you're aware of digital marketing, kay VA man ka, right? And
Yes,
cold
yes, yes.
calling. So kami
Mm-hmm.
cold callers man me. One of my expertise is cold callers or cold calling.
Mm-hmm.
So we perform A/B testing, testingan niya. They spent so much in digital marketing sa US na team,
Mm-hmm.
like kami. And over time, after 11 months, ni work naman ilang digital marketing. They're accepting, or they're getting 8 to 11 or 18 ka leads incoming na.
Yeah.
So na doesn't need cold calling team na. So they stop working with us, and then we go in separate ways in good terms. And napadayon lang yapon ko, there are people are calling me, reaching out, and refer na ko up to the point na naka-penetrate na ko sa mga circle of friends and mga small
Mm-hmm.
community in Texas, California, New York, and some of the states dito.
Perfect. To
So
answer ba, naman ko yung question, is it hard, I mean, regarding your experience, naglisod ba ka o transition from working in a corporate world, yeah, traditional job to VA, naglisod ba ka or what's your experience about that?
yeah, actually, good point, because that's one of the challenges karon nowadays from BPO to wala kay ko naglisod, because before I became a VA, kuha naman ko executive assistant ko sa mga clients, pero office based.
Ah, okay, okay.
So they tell me what to do, everything. Kulang na lang, I'll be the owner of the call center. Kana bitaw nga idea nga, Dre, you buy plywood because we have to renovate the office, the training center, pag
Mm-hmm.
canvas, canvas ko.
Mm-hmm.
Dre, give training. So I do the training, I do the hiring, then look for clients. So murag daltons na, saksak sinangol na ba? Then
Okay.
pag-upload ako sa VA, ana ko na-realize, dami gid so nakamurag na.
Same thing lang, na like similarity, sir.
Yes, o mo nang na-position gamay akong mind. The challenge lang ako sa VA, which I always remind everybody nga mosulod sa VA, kanang temptation kay yung kilid nimo na imong bed, na imong unlan.
Correct, correct, sir. And regarding that, sir, ba, unsa jud imong main reason ngano ka nag-shift from working to home, from working at home? Unsa jud main reason nimo?
Yeah, one thing is, I realized that we only live once in this world, and
Mhm.
if we are if we weren't able to notice na sige lang tagtrabaho sa gawas, trabaho sa gawas, wala kayo time sa atong family, sa atong anak. So
Mm.
labi na sa ako, I have that time. Excuse me. That time, nadako na akong anak. And then of course, I've heard people, mga kailan ako, kana sana si Miss Grace, looks, sani, the third,
Okay.
and then
Mm.
kato si Miss, I forgot the name, nag-met give me in person sa Davao, and they're the one who was able to, I mean, yeah, were able to encourage me to try VA. Sa
Mm.
katubitaw ka na bitong right hand ni Kuan, John, owner of online jobs sa PH, yang right hand si Miss kanang manager, manager. I don't know if she's still the one managing the online PH, online jobs
Mm.
sa PH. Taga Davao mo na siya. And
Okay.
daghan man na then si Miss Regina Evangelista sa Mr.
Mm.
Outsourcing. So diha po ko na-train, nag-bootcamp na siya diha sa Davao. So the reason why, it's because I saw them when they succeed sa ilang life. They spent so much years sa corporate world and they achieve small when it comes to
Mm.
financial, and then holistic approach. Maglisod jud ka sa corporate kay sa iyong mata. I mean, the
Yeah,
hassle.
yeah. Mag-ready pa ka, sakay pa ka, mag-prepare pa ka. Yeah.
So, makulangan imong tulog. You could have sleep,
Correct.
di ba? 8 hours. Ang imo nga sleep kay 4 hours or 6 na lang, or 5 kapin
Correct.
kay prepare pa. So, working at home, though still magyapon siya, you are working. You are still employed by your own service. But the
Mm.
difference is, of course, the earning is way better, and then
Mm.
same hustle. Same hustle. When I say same hustle, same hustle, same ang grinding ba? Mo grind mo gyapon ka, right? Kay di ka man mo sa VA world, sa home base, i-fire man ka sa client kay di ka productive, right? So, ikaw nga, why not putting my grind here in this industry and give myself like, let's say, 1 year, 2 years. If it's not really working for me, then it's not for me. Anak ko. And then something happened man dahil nga, it was 20 2018, 2017 and 2018, Sai, it was the 2 years of unfortunate events in my life. Kasunod-sunod gid siya. Gibitray ko sa akong close friend, gibitray ko sa
Mm.
akong first cousin, and wala ko'y choice that time. Anak ko, Lord, I think mag-umpisa na jud ko, mag-VA ko. And I tried. And then good thing with these five clients nga na-schedule ko of interview, one of it's from Davao. From Davao siya, naminyo daw siya ka Davaoen niya, then uli siya
Mm.
Canada. Entitled mo kayo siya, siya may magbuot sa kanang standard sa pay siya. Dapat standard nimo is kung ra. Kaya ang call
Mm.
center payment diha, inanira.
Ah.
Hindi ko ganahan ko nga, entitled kaya. So, sa lima ka client, na isa nga Christian. Christian yung approach. So, motong dito mi nag-work, and that was the guy that we became partner, and me and him started the VA Success Academy org. And of course,
Oh.
with my wife's unlimited support, unconditional support, grabe po. And siya po nag-urge sa ako nga, sayang-sayang naman kasi yung skills, sige kag work, there is sa mga typical office niya. Same ra imong agi for 1 year, 2 years. And God's God's grace, say, in the span of pag-start na ko June 2019, June 28 is my birthday. And then nangayo ko sa Ginoo, niluhod jud ko, naglock ko door kay nagpuyo raman mi sa family property sa akong wife, and then we need to go out na kay ibaligya na palito, so wala na ko work. So anak ko,
Mm.
nag-away pag sa akong wife kay is because challenging among finances. What I did is something crazy, but it is true. Nag-away mi, nang lock ko door, and wala akong sabot. I told myself, gihangad jud ko sa langit, nga anak gyud ko, dupa jud ko, Lord, what do you want me to do in this world? I give my best to you.
Mm.
Okay, because I started kuwan man ko 2013, yeah. I became a member or a regular. Started attending the feast. I don't know if you've heard the feast. The feast by something. It's a community prayer community, and I started to serve, and I started to know God more. And after a few years, pag ako natinga ko nga, nanong galisod mangyapon ko. So Lord, ikaw na bahala sa akong life. I'll do this. I think this is my only way. Wala ko kabaluas na minimot puniton after mahawa mi diri. And God's gracing amazing kayo. Ang ako na receive nga message siya is naay computer sa imong likod. You get on the computer, you send application, you know your skills. I gave you that skills. I gave you the brain. Do it. In 2 weeks time, nakuha ko kuan. I started with
Oh
a
man,
color. It's a blessing. And
grabe jud sir.
timing jud kayo nga last na mo to nga month. Then nagsunod-sunod na din. And real estate ang client. So that was the time nga boom kay real estate industry.
Mm-hmm.
2018, 2019, di ba? Sa
Yeah, I agree. I agree.
grabe
Real
ang
estate pa to, sir.
real estate ko ka. There you go.
Yes, Texas. Yeah.
Texas, oh, Texas po ko. Texas.
Oh,
Grabe ang bonuses no. Tag $500, 700. Because sa ila, they're also earning big. So that's why they're
yeah.
sharing it. So that's
Mm-hmm.
that's when the time I was able to realize nga tinuod gid ako nakakita sa akong mga amigo nga namo ko friend nga chat support siya before, and he told me kada magkita ni Sai sa city may ko nga bay tinuod ginang VA bay nga ng home base siya tinuod lagi bay muna
Like,
inom nagapalit ko car nagapalit ko balay
mm,
bay duha ka balay ako napalit ani siya ko nga ha lisod gid ko ba yun siya padayon lang ya apply lang yun apply, and it's true. Very blessed kayo ko nga nakasulod ko. I take it as I give the credit to God because tungod atong surrender, and I always share this story nga pag natin problem bitaw isurrender gyud nato sa iya.
you know, yun na, sir. I agree.
He will do everything to guide or to provide you. Basta ang ako lang na realize din, we just have to stick to kana bang we just have to be faithful lang sa iya kana lang
Yeah.
faithful
Sure
lang.
lang ko kanali, sir, ha, because makarelate manggod ko sa imong experience with regarding that. Kay, nihawa ko sa ko ang corporate job 2018. Balik ko pagka-VA, pero naglisod na manggod ko, sir, kay grabe na kay competition ba, na ba?
Yes.
So, kung ako gisod lang, it was a referral, pero I was terminated like after 1 year, and then mga 3 months siguro po, sir, wala ko yung work ana niya mga gagunahon na po, alam mo ba ka pud pa ni BPO kapuya ani ay kana na pong kanaging mag-struggle ka ba mag-prepare mag-travel
Yes.
na pud kay nga na good, sir, mo ay mga pamasahe ba sa imong sweldo sa pamasahe lang. So nag-pray lang jud ko, sir, na mo abot something, so na-jud siya, wala na ko sa gi-applyan. Ang client mismo nag-invite sa kuha, sir. And then, based sa client story, murag lima daw ang iyang gi-invite or na-apply, pero ako lang jud ang nag-attend sa interview. Siguro wala siya choice. Pero
Yeah.
tinuod jud na, I agree jud, sir. Tinuod jud, ihatay jud na sa imo kung mag-pray
Yes.
lang jud kag hard jud.
Yes, it's true. And then one thing, actually I prepared something around 7 mani akong gusto i-share. This would
Okay,
help.
go.
This would help people bitaw nga with
Mm,
all the trending sa VA industry nowadays. Grabe kayo ang mga grabe na kay ang VA nga kanang they betray their friends, they betray the
yeah.
agency, they betray nawala na
Mm,
ethics, nawala na ang
mm,
faith actually. So it's something that I'm on the movement, or I want to say campaign or movement. I always do this to my team or to the people sa industry nga na bang you gotta be okay, especially sa atong industry. Wala man permanent, wala permanent like we
agree.
thought we thought nga na
Mm,
kay 3 years nga client mo na ni magdugay na ni. di nimo matagno eh. So that's why it's important for you to be kanang stay composed kay you don't know ang imong giaway nga agency or imong giaway nga kapwa nimo VA freelancer because wala ka ganahe. Time will come mo imong kinahanglan di ay. It's
Correct.
because
Bilog ang mundo, sir. Bilog ang mundo.
yes, and
Yeah,
then
yeah.
but there are people karon grabe jud so mo ni akong mga key mindsets and life lesson from sa akong journey. Una kaning you gotta be you gotta be okay even when it's not okay. People
Correct.
should learn how to like stay composed because things the only thing that is permanent in this world is change, right? It
Agree.
it changed time, seconds get change. Even you think you are the powerful karon, you don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow, the next month, the next year, right?
Correct.
So we gotta stay in short, humble lang ta.
Humble.
Yes,
Humble jud, sir. Yeah. Sir, kanang mag-quick break lang ta kadali ha.
humble.
Continue na lang nato later. Yes. So, mag-quick shout out sa to mga viewers tonight. Si AJ Jones, hello, good evening. Si Braiban Magdi, ano siya, sir? Oh, this is so inspiring. Modyo na ang among tumong for today's stream, guys. So, mag-break sa mga pila pa minutes. So, naalam ko mga big announcement lang, sir.
Go, go, go.
Yeah, yeah. So, on February 8th, Saturday, there will be an online webinar for the Passionate Healthcare course by Coach Rose. So if you're interested in becoming a medical VA, enroll now and then secure your spot before February 8th. For more details, visit passionatemedva.com. We're gonna send you the information, guys, later on. And then, if you're also looking to become a social media manager and executive virtual assistant at an affordable rate, join Miss Raya's VA tutorial services. Get real world insights and no nonsense training in a straightforward webinar. The session will be held on Saturday as well, February 8th at 8 p.m. Register now at vaonlinetutorial.com. So kato mga gusto mahimong med VA, natay a webinar for that, which is spearheaded by Coach Rose. And if gusto mo mahimong social media manager or executive virtual assistant, very affordable rate, then live tutorial services si Miss Raya. So kana siya. So I have another announcement as well. Hold on. Shout out again sa ato ang mga viewers. Dara, AJ Jones, Rayban Mati. So yeah, so we have nato may mga papulo diri guys, diba? So kanang mga avid followers namo dara sa VA radio. So win big with the with the VA radio YouTube channel. Want to win amazing prizes, it's simple. Here's how to enter our raffle. So here are the mechanics. Dali na jud kay ni siya. Like any of our YouTube videos. Mag-like lang ta sa mga YouTube videos. Then comment on any video sharing your thoughts or feedback. So ikaw na bahala unsa mo i-comment dito ba sa any of our video. And then the third step is subscribe to the VA radio on YouTube. So very simple lang, go to YouTube and then search for the VA radio, or here's our website www.youtube.com/at the VA radio. So here are the prizes. So our first prize is you'll get access bar healing session for Med VA or Medical VA online training. Second prize is Med VA virtual training course. And then the third prize is an executive virtual assistant course. So, diba? It's more in education. So, our really goal here, guys, is, we want to educate more VAs. And then we want to hatapatag more VAs para daganat na sa yung ani na community. So, The contest starts February 1 and it will end on February 10. And then the raffle draw is on Valentine's Day. So if namin time ano tanawa mo raffle draw no, while you are with your loved one. Check here for more details and updates. Don't miss your chance to win. Good luck and thank you for supporting the VA Radio. So in a while, mabalik na ta sa ato ang show. So shout out again kisa kami nagtanaw dira sa po ang mga sa kay Coach Grace, Luxine, shout out sa mga ma'am. Thank you kaayo. Ano ka maayo. Okay, let's continue. Hi sir. Hi Jay.
Hello, hello, hello. Welcome
Okay,
back.
okay. Welcome back. So, mga po VAs, mata pa ba mo? Pili na ko sir, kaya nag-work na ang uban.
Nag-work na.
Wala sila duty. Gang, nag-duty na sila. Okay. So sir, let's continue and then I'll just have some questions for you. Okay, mo
Sure,
nag-work na putol pa ganiya.
sure. Thank you. Yeah, actually, I nalang ko i-share nga key mindset. Una, yeah, you be okay when it's even if it's not okay, and then just keep moving because that principle or that idea it would help people kanang be humble ba, and then be faithful sa God. Just keep praying and okay, lives of freelancing are full of ups and downs, man. So it's very important to be okay even if it's not
Yeah.
okay.
Ngayon,
And then
nanay bago na comment sir, nanay bago sir Dre, sorry. Yes daw. Yes, and be okay, dapat maging okay. Yes daw. Shan mo. Shout out sa mga shan mo.
so kana bang sa shout out sa BA industry, you have to be resilient nga even though unsa ka lisod, just keep going, and then you gotta learn how to motivate yourself. That's why I call it, you gotta be self-starter, so that consistent ka motivation. You have to motivate yourself ani nga
Mm,
industry. And then number two, always have faith in doing what is good and right, even no one is watching
is
you.
watching.
It's important.
Agree.
Integrity nowadays, it's so hard to find. Grabe na kayong yung absent ko
Yeah,
ang
kay pikasad ka ron sir. Oy. Naganda ka yung
kanang
ampon.
bumaldira, ang mga uyab dira, ha? So you
Dili
have
mo absent sa February 14 ha.
kinala mo to nga ha, bantay lang. So isa gina siya, integrity really matters, especially sa work nga virtual kay di ta makita, right? It's really
Mhm.
important that to work with integrity, and also it will build you your credibility nga masaligan gini si Kwan, no? Kini si Kwan, si Cyril. I love this guy, I love this female, I love my VA, ano, because hi, because even wala ko anong client, pag na-shock na lang ko, dagang kay siya nahuman, right?
Mm.
So it's very
Yes.
important, and then that's where you can build your trust. So then third one, don't just follow the trends. Now, there are VAs na labi na starter. Ah,
Mm.
ako kay income ang silingan ay
Wala
nag-tutor.
mo lagi jud na sa.
Maawat po dahil sila because they focus on the desire of money, which
Yeah.
actually always the problem because diha na
Mhm.
din ang mga sulutan, mga mahay-mahay, mga doubt-doubt. So you gotta follow building on yourself. So listen to yourself sa asa man jud ko. That's why importante you go to coach, you go to the VA radio,
Mm.
mag-follow sila diri aron maka-relate sila nga inanig the first step i-profile sa nako ang kagalingon. Like ganahan ko dako siya income pero kung musulod ko aning tutor murag dragging man ko sa akong self ani, right? Nya ang mga mas stress ko ani. Though
Mm.
of course musulod ka sa VA industry, there's still a little bit of effort, energy, sleepless nights, a transition, but it's different kung naka-profile ka na align sa imo ah. And the challenge nowadays po because daghan kaayong daghan kay mga coach manggod nga they entice people to be part of their trainings it's because they want people to avail their trainings. Unya, makuha
I
na,
know that.
ayon bitaw, kabantay ka na, say, ma-mislead
Mm.
ka, kuha na ka, in 3
So,
months, 100,000
mao na ni, six
oh,
figures sa din ka.
6 figures, dili, oy, gag,
Lisod doy din ilalim, sir.
alim, oy, ginoo ko, Lord. On sa ni, mo nang ma-misinterpret, so there are many people na dahil nga, tuwa na, ang nag-coach sa ila, kay natudluan magsayo, natudluan sa sayo, muna to ilang gigamit kung asa sila paingon, either agency or sa ilang kapwa
Mm.
friends or something. So it's very important not just following trends. Focus on building the say, self-awareness actually. Work on your skills, work on your mindset, long-term goals, not just quick wins. Diba? Because that would, kana bitang mawala ang momentum of good faith. I call it momentum of good faith because the more we grow financially, mentally, spiritually, new level. I've heard this from a friend. I forgot. Once new level in mong life daw say, new devil comes in.
Mm.
So new level. So that's why you have to build yourself always. And then the fourth one, beat your past self. Imong i-compare imong past self. Ayaw compare. Di ta mag-compare sa mga VA, labi ng first timer. Si Cyril, kita ko na kay income, nanay condo, nanay inani. Kunya, nagtrabaho ko sa iya. 1 year naman ko, wali ko kapait condo. Di ba? It's a wrong kuan siya nga imong i-compare imong self sa imong sa nakauna sa imo, right? So imong i-compare imong self sa imong past, who you are. So um it's very important nga your competition is your own version of your yesterday. So to beat with that, focus on small wins, daily improvements rather than comparing yourself to others. Isa pa kanang be more closer sa imong divine kanang creator. So mao na siya usually ang competition nato is atong self. Now next is stay composed and ethical. Ethical. Sa BE freelancing, uso na kayo ng mga insulto sa kauban. So mubalik siya again sa be okay even when it's not okay. Keep moving forward. And learn. Kay tungod kay daghan na mga top earners, mga 6-figure earners, 7-figure earners. You guys needs to, yeah, dapat makaton bitaw ta, like we need to learn or they need to learn to be happy for others. Kung na-successful ang atong amigo kap, we gotta be happy because soon it will be us next. Dili pa lang time. So mo appreciate na nga ulo, successful gina mo silingan ay sagara kay tabo kay na successful lang in 2 years sa kapait balay sa kanan ang negosyo drug user or drug pusher man siguro ni. Labi na sa BA industry kay imagine ba basta focus kay ka sa imong niche. You know this for sure, di ba? Dali na kay 1 year, dali kay mo taas imong income.
Kaayo, sir.
Dali jud kay mo taas, which is difference of which is the different kung unsa which is kalahian siya kung sa typical ka mo trabaho in 1 year, 2 years, di ba? We know a lot of people they're working for 10 years, 5 years, and they're
Wala
spending,
gyud pa yung sariling balay, nag-rent gihapon.
and though they have bigger positions, di ba? Tell ka nga, manager, kung garay pa mangyapon siya ka-acquire, right? But sa VA, ang 2 years niya, dako kag sweldo, I think it's a question na sa imo how you handle your funds. Huwag yapon kakapayat o balay, right? So that's one of the key lessons I've learned and shared sa others. You gotta be happy for others. Your time will come. So
Correct, sir.
because it's easier, it's easy to feel envious karon panahon na. Kana ra bang envy? Sus, grabe kina ka sa ni. Kana bang
Dangerous.
hait and dangerous. It will kill your relationship with others. And at the end na ba, kay ikaw mag-suffer. Mag-suffer ka. So, dili siya maayo. Now, next is, um, know when to claim your farm. Or know when to claim the farm versus being entrusted with you. Like, there are VAs na nakasulod nasulod siya sa work because of you, and then you entrusted them, okay, like this is for agencies, and then for those people nga ni-betray silang agencies or agency. Now, the agency is giving them job as a business, right? Helping them. At the same time, they make money. So it's a win-win. Now, there are VAs na dili sila kasabot ana, and they take it like negative. So the best way to hubaron ana sa Binisaya or sa kwan is sa farm. Like naay tag-iya og land, right? Then you as a farmer, a skilled, gi-endorse niya sa iyo, okay, Sai, example, Sai, I have my 10 hectares, I'll give you seeds, I give you fertilizers, you run it, and I'll take the 30% share every
Mhm.
harvest. Uli na ko sa akong syudad. Pagbalik na ko sa bukid, happy kita. Let's harvest. I get 30%. Over time, na-stress na ang farmer, then mo claim na din sila pagbalik, wait, ay man kay ka. You only come here to get your share, right? Naabot na dira.
Mhm.
Naabot na siya, nikaon naman siya. So, nikaon siya sayang in asa ni, ang NB ba, nisulod na nga, yahay mo kay ni siya. So that's
Mhm.
where the problem really going to start. So we have to know if this land is ours or not. Then if di na taganahan sa atong landlords, I rather you do proper exit, like
Mhm.
faithful way or as a Christian way nga, sir, kanang gusto na ko kuwag ako apon nga land mapareha sa imo. Maybe you can
Mhm.
help me, sir, na kay land dira nga ibaligya nimo sa ako. Right?
Mga
We
ana,
don't,
pwede.
right?
Mhm.
Because most, mo ni akong na-observe na, though dili gid tanan dili tanan successful people are kanang mo share what, but most successful people sa akong nailhan lang ha, based on my opinion, they always love to help people become successful. Goods to good. Like sometimes mga ito, especially kaning VA world, no? Tungod kay kita nakatilaw tag dagko nga sweldo. Sige na tag pang-advertise, right? Huy, mag-VA lagi ka. Huy, mag-VA lagi pa. Di bang lero. So, and ana gid ang human kuan sa ni human brain ba nga
Mhm.
makatilaw. Uy, patsada lami kay like lami kay restaurant sa kuan ay sa Claveria Street dito sa San Pedro. Adto dito because ingon ana ta. So, ang sometimes lang wala na-realize sa tao. And then next is, um, I mean, understand, no, next is my final thought lang. I know you look at the final thought now is keep moving forward every day. Naman tay, excuse me, naman tay, sorry.
Okay lang sir.
Naman gid tay na challenges, uh, not just for, sorry, not just for VA work, pero personal life nato naagit tayo
Mhm.
mga problems. So it's very
Correct.
as a freelancer bitaw, it's common to work under agencies or teams. So mo to importante gikay ni siya ng mga pang reminder sa ato. We have to avoid clients or other people's na mo harvest, imbis kay apil ka sa harvest, ni harvest na nila tanan, na wag ta na imong client. Then ikaw nagsugod sa client, wala na kagibiyaan na. So, and those people are going to cry for sure. They'll be hurt. And then we are son and daughters of our God, the Creator. So if kita na hurt, ma-hurt ko na atong Creator. So that's why what they said that what you do to others, you are doing it to you, right? It's just a matter of time. Now,
Correct.
right? So final thought lang is keep pushing forward with faith, integrity, focus also self growth kay mo nang gakalimtan sa mga tao karon, because ang success man good, it's not only based on money. It's not. And it's always relationship, spiritual, finance, and kanang imong overall, in short, holistic nimo, ang holistic bitaw sa imong pagkatao.
Yes. Yes. Correct, sir. Or those little things, sir, like, for example, you can define your own success kung makapasar ka sa board, mga nga good, sir. Or exam, makahuman ka, graduate, mga nga for me.
Yeah, that's also success. Ang ako nga lang gipon sa success is kanang holistic, like ang ako mo success is holistic. Example,
Oh, okay.
na-achieve ako akong nag-graduate ko. Yes, it was a success. Kana siya nga murag goal. Kato lang siya. Now, ang ako yung gina-share sa tao is the holistic success nga dapat financial, dapat spiritual, dapat relationship. Karang tulo kay ay napay last thing is imong sorry, emotion, which is happiness. These four always go together. Munang true success, which is mamuni malimtan most likely sa mga tao kay ma-focus mo sila sa finance or sa goal lang. Project success na pod. Ako always ko ga-share sa holistic para diha magud ta ma-develop.
Yes. So, sir,
No?
nalang ko ka ng yung last few questions sa imo.
Yes,
So,
yes.
namagot tayo mga viewers karon, shoutout sa Takadali. Kay Purple J Lina.
Oh
Ilan
yeah.
naman, sir?
Hi, Purple. Hi.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kay Brayban Magdi, mo kailan po naman, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, Pensky Rivera, Terps. Hi, Terps. Ako na kaila. Thanks for the support. So, ano lang, sir, ka ng na ko last two questions. Ang isa is, unsa yung mga advice karon, sir? Namagot tayo mga viewers, mga aspiring VAs karon. Hello, guys, sa mga aspiring VAs. Unsa yung mga advice nila if they want to take this path into becoming a VA?
Yes, good point. Yeah, I'd like to share that too. First is i-profile nila ilang past experience. I call this profiling. So i-profile, pila ka years ka nga gatrabaho. Example, sales ka 5 years. Dayon napod siya customer service 2 years. Example, pila ka years, inyo lang ibutang ang inyong mga work experiences. Butangig dash, kada work nimo butangig dash, pila ka years ni. Dash, pila ka years. Pila ka years. Now, pick those pinakataas nga years, i-arrange siya paingon sa ubos. Now, once ma-arrange na ito nimo, na-pick na ito pinakataas at ito pinakaubos, the first 5, kanang the first 5, muna ilang strength. Once mahibang na nilang strength, then they can say, okay, na-adri akong strength. So, then they can pick asa na mabilong nga VA task. Then they go to the VA radio. If nakakay 10 years as a nurse, med VA is perfect. Di ba?
Yeah. Yes, yes.
So, if nakakay 10 years nga teacher man na ka, I'm not so sure na by VA a tutor, but lahi man na siya ng murag field pod. You can apply if you want sa Banadia, mga tutor, right? So, ingon ana ang pinaka the best thing ang buhaton kaysa they follow on trends nga, cold caller ang silingan, testing po ka ni. Listen,
Wala dyan kadalasan, sir.
diba? Listen naman kang cold caller, kay babalik ka
Correct.
telepono. Sus, pastilan. Una gina profiling, then they go to different different coaches, and then sa amo we give free like you guys doing. That's why I love the VA radio, and also having very affordable training. So, but I also kanang give wala pa na ako na materials, but I wanna do like outreach bitaw sa mga kuan. There are VA agencies nga buhat ana. I think it's better for them to first talk to the right person para mag-guide sila itong profiling bitaw say.
Yes.
Kung dili sila mag-guide adto, mahitabo, they will spend kung mobile sila sa mga trainings. It's good man mobile sa trainings kay kung shortcut sa process, ma-equip diretso. But if they don't have the right mindset, mabilong sila dito sa pathway nga bayad diri, bayad dito, bayad diri, bayad dito. Mabtag 1 year, they'll be surprised. Saan naman yun nga? Nag-VA ko, nag-attend ko VA, nagsige naman ako gasto. May pali,
Gani.
di ba? Other people will say, bay, nag-VA ko ba in 3 months, nakapalit ko kotse ba So, wala na sila, mawala din ilang faith sa VA nga industry.
Correct. Yes.
I hope I
And
answered the question, Sir Sai.
yeah, yes. You really answered my question, sir. And another thing too, okay, they aspiring VAs would also experience a lot of challenges when they transition. How about you, sir? Like, what are the challenges you face during the transition, and how did you overcome it?
Yeah, ang transition na ginako is kanang mo break ko, like mag 15-minute break ko nga, dapat mo balik jud ko kay muhigda man ko agor niya.
Malamian na, wala.
This thing yung ko sa pag mata na ko, bang, alas 6 na ba Oh my God, ang kapagod, grabe na. Nanay chat sa akong client. What's going on? Where are you? What's going on? I need you to call me ASAP. Basta kay mo gonna chat. But at least it took me, I think, a month nga dili kini pwede nga dili ko matulog kay nagsalig lagi kay home base man, di ba?
Yes, yes, yeah.
Work, adto sa ko dito, adto sa ko ilang auntie, may birthday diri, okay, sa palay ra bitaw ko mag-work. That's for me that's number one challenge nga
I
i-transition.
think dagan makarelate, di ba? Saan mo? Kailan mo sila sa
Kana bitaw magtrabaho ka, labi na if non-voice ka, nya korek ka, especially kung naka wireless ka headset, ana,
Yeah.
ato sa kusina, luto-luto ka niya, sa ni ka nag-prepare kag food, kaon ka then work. Pag human mabusog ka niya, tayo mong tapad, paglingi nimo ba kay ang unlan bitaw, ang pillow ang unlan siya, halina. Rest na, ali, busog na ka, agoy, sus, that's one thing. Dapat they need to have the right mindset nga, i-manage good ang time. Pag time, pag
Correct yun, sir. Yeah,
tulog, tulog yun.
correct yun. So, jud sir, pag graveyard, labi na pag graveyard, ay nako.
Na,
Pero, kailangan jud discipline jud. Anyway, sir, kanang pahumanay na ta, so, I just want to ask you, what is your message to aspiring VAs? If, for example, if gusto jud nila, musulod ani.
yeah. Same thing nga kato akong gipang share nga mga key mindset. Mindset number one, because mindset man god is ang driver sa atong body, sa atong life. If you don't have the right mindset, mo give up ka, mawala imong faith sa BA industry, and you will be end up stress, you'll be end up maka betray, or you'll be end up going back sa imong work dayon mabad faith nimo ang ang BA industry mo may klaro kay kuan na kanang swerte. So the best is you need to have the right mindset, and of course mangutana man na sila unsa nang right mindset. So it has to break down sa imong discipline, sa imong culture, sa imong faith, sa Ginoo, right? And then how you manage your unsa ni kanang money. It is very important nga gi-include nako ang money because
Yes.
ang ma-successful mo ka sa BA industry, kinahanglan at the very beginning, kabalo na ka muhandle sa imong money. Kay ang may tabo, imbis kay dako na kag income after 1 year, 2 years, wala kay savings because sige ramon ka gasto dira. Ang ending up, masuya na ka sa uban nga pare-pareha ra nimo og income pero nakapalit og naka-achieve og something. And then makuha na din ka, makuha na mo din, ma-pressure na, masuya na din. Dili na ma-value ang work kay mangita na din another work nga dako og sweldo diretso. Right? Nga
Yes, sir. Super agree.
kana bang kinahanglan gyud una ang mindset. Then yeah, go to a mindset trainer, mindset coach, and we're open. We do one-on-one coaching for that. Kanang because I help people na mo succeed sa ilang life. I can even give one free one-on-one coaching for that kung kinsay mga gusto.
Free. So guys, na dungog ko ninyo. So unsay mechanics ana sir? Magpa-raffle ba ta? Kung bisa to yung mga nasa comments karon.
Yeah, they can visit Mr. BA. Okay ra ba mo plug drink one?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Oh, paumali na ta.
They can visit my website, Mr. VA or mrvacoach.com, and they can go to that free training tab and sign up. Then ako man ang i-announce ang free one-on-one coaching, ako nang i-send sa lang emails, then they can pick sa mga schedules dito. So that's one of mga privilege na mong gihatag.
Perfect. Magmapil pag kuan na.
Yes. Nice.
Sige.
I would love to.
Sige, sir. Come on. So, paumanay na to, sir. Do you have anything else to add or anything to say sa to ang mga viewers karon?
One thing, ang ako man yung business is always backed by faith driven. So I always ask people to like to be faithful sa imo ang kaugalingon, especially sa BA nga mga sa industry katong gusto mag BA. First is do your best nga mga faithful ka sa imong kaugalingon. Unsa man na siya, meaning you do things the right way and in a good way. So walay shortcut sa success. Success is not also a race, it is a journey. It's a process of building yourself up, cleaning yourself, like trimming your if you are a tree, trim your tree right there. Like maghimo ka og kwan bonsai. Keep trimming it. That's all.
Thank you, sir. So, Sir Jay, salamat kay sa mong time karon. No? Init ba karon sa CBO? Init ba siguro sa Tibok Pilipinas?
I think dili gikapat yan normally once you gapunta sa mga I think 25 23 degrees Celsius siguro.
Mga may ulan. Anyway, sir, salamat kay sa mong time, sir, ha? And then guys, regarding the website of Sir Jay, nasa comment section, so just go to their website to check their services. And yeah, thank you so much for joining us today. Labi na sa mga aspiring VAs, sa itong mga viewers. And Sir Jay, thank you so much for your time. And yeah, kita-kita na punta pohon next week, same time. Thank you so much and God bless.
God bless everyone. Thank you.
God
And
bless.
it's an honor working with you, Sir Sai.
Okay. Thank you, Sir Jay. Bye-bye.
Bye.